Hi, I'm Stacy with Electronic Adventure, and we've got this brand new Samsung remote control. It's in stock and it's shipping today. So if you need this remote, it's a great day to buy it. We're offering you $5 off your order, and all you have to do is enter a simple coupon code at the online checkout. So we've been in business for over 20 years, and we stock over 300,000 new remotes. They're brand new, they're not refurbished, and they're not universal. So when you get your new remote, all you have to do is put the batteries in. There's no coding or programming that you have to do. So place your order today. We're going to ship it out within 48 hours. And if you're not 100% satisfied, there's no need to worry. We have a 30-day no questions asked return policy. So 30 days, no questions asked, you can always send it back. So place your order today. There's a link below. It'll take you right to our website. You can place your order there. But if you're more comfortable shopping over the phone, one of our operators will be there to assist you. Thanks for watching our video today, and thanks for shopping with Electronic Adventure.